Hello guys, this is your host Indian Gamer here, and today we are going to build a gaming PC that costs only 30,000 rupees. Today we are going to build a Ryzen based gaming PC that does not involve any GPU. Cost like I have discussed in my last video, link in the description below. Um, the GPU prices are very high now and also RAM prices. Hence this time we are going to try and build a gaming PC without the GPU. Let's start. The CPU that we're using for this build is the Ryzen APU 2200G. It is costs around 9,000 rupees and is very reliable. The graphics power is almost equivalent to a GT 1030. The hard drive that we're using for this build is the 1TB Barracuda Seagate hard drive. It is a very reliable hard drive, which is very much equal to its Western Digital competitor. The RAM that we're going to be using for this build is a Corsair Vengeance 8GB LPX kit of 2 sticks, which costs around 6,000 rupees. But this is roughly up to your opinion, and you can choose any brand which you like. The PSU that we're going to use for this build is the Corsair Valley Select 400 watt power supply, which costs only around 1,800 rupees. It is a very budget hard PSU, but is also very safe and comes from a reliable seller. The motherboard that we're using is the 8020 HD2 from Gigabyte. It is a very reliable motherboard that works very well with the Ryzen chips. Also, I have to give a side note here that these cannot overclock. So if you're looking for an overclocking motherboard, you have to look for B351, and the cheapest I believe is 6,000 rupees from Gigabyte. I'll give you links in the description below. The case that we're using is the Circle CC819. It is a very good case with good looks and aesthetics. I personally chose the black and red color choice because it rhymes with the Ryzen APUs. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like. And this is your host Indian Gamer leaving you. I'll catch you on the next one.